Hey there folks, today I have another project to do. This one is a USB outlet that I'm going to install on my XTerra. Um, it's just pretty handy to have one of this. Who doesn't want to have a USB, an extra USB port in their car, right? I kind of like it. I got this at Amazon. This one right here, it's got a 2 outlet, and it's I believe it's a fast charger, if you will, because it's got a blue paint in there, or a blue colored outlet. So I got all these parts, and I have this thing, which is very nice because this connects to your cigarette lighter. I guess I'm just going to parallel this on my cigarette lighter. That would be the easiest one to do. And I like this particularly because it has an inline fuse, which is really handy. I know that the cigarette lighter itself has a fuse, but this one also has its own inline fuse. So I guess it's just a double safety before it reaches to the built-in fuse in the car. If there's a short, this thing would pop. Let me show you how this fuse looks like. And I believe the fuse, the inline, or not the inline fuse, but the onboard fuse for your cigarette lighter is a 20 amp, I believe. So this one here, this little fuse, it doesn't say, I cannot find any reference to this as to how many amps, but I believe this one also is 20 amps, or maybe less than 20 amps, because it doesn't carry a resistive load. It is just a regular charger. Well, a cigarette lighter is a resistive load, and that one needs a bigger amperage. Resistive loads like your electric iron, your electric stove that has a coil on it, and the cigarette lighter has got a coil, so that is also considered a resistive load, which requires a higher amperage. Okay, without further ado, let's do it. All right, see here, this thing has to come off somewhere. I'm not sure. I'm using this little thing. I'm supposed to use a non-marring tool, but I think this one is better. Let's see if I can grab it from here. This one. There you are. This one on the other side. Yep, there it is. Okay. There you go. Maybe I can grab this one. This is, by the way, 2009 XTerra. There. Piece of cake. This one right here, there is a, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a cigarette lighter, or not cigarette lighter, but a power outlet on this little thing here, the little cubby. But I think that is the reason why I thought that there should be a wire in there that connects to this cigarette lighter. We'll find out. Okay, there is the power outlet that I was talking about right there. So it just makes sense to me that the wire is running underneath this little cubby and goes down over here. So this is where your connection is, and I believe that little thing there is your connector. This one right here. So if I can take that connector, if I can remove that connector, I will be able to run a test on this wire and see if that is in fact connected to the cigarette lighter. and I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, right there. All right, this is the thing that is the connector to the power outlet cigarette lighter. Well, it's actually not a cigarette lighter, it's power outlet to the cubby. Let me see if this thing is actually it. Otherwise, I'll be screwed if that's not it. Let me get my little tester in here. Find out if that's the cigarette lighter. Let's see. There. Do a 12-volt DC. Okay, there's 20 right there. Let's see if that is it. Right there. Okay. And I believe there's a black wire in there. That is the common. Let's see here. If I get a reading. Nothing. Oh. Maybe I need to turn the switch to accessories. That way it register, because this thing is automatically off when you remove your key.
Wilson, author of On Human Nature. This is a fellow who was...
Okay, there you go. I got a 12.27 volts. So this is it. Yeah, that is it. If I turn this off, I shouldn't get any voltage. And I didn't. Okay. That's because this guy right here is turned off as soon as you remove your ignition key. I think that is just the way it is with the company. Unlike your real cigarette lighter, you know, in the front, that is always on. Okay, so now I'm sure that that is the wire that goes to this power outlet. Okay, let's do a connection. Okay, let me see if I can get this connector out of there. There you go. Okay, so here is the connector. There. Okay. There you are. Alright. You know, like I always do, I mark everything before I take it apart. That way I won't have any problem putting it back together. Like this one here is black. Right there is black to black. Small screwdriver in here. I believe if I push that thing out there, I might be able. Okay, there you are. There you are, easy peasy. Okay, just have to push this tab. There's a little plastic tab right there that I just need to push it up to release the lock. I need another hand. If I was a robot, I could probably install a third hand that way. I have enough hand to hold on things. But I'm not a robot. I'm a real person. Hey. Whew. Tough son of a gun. Okay. So black to black there. I can just put that in there. I can parallel it right there. And I'm going to make a solder. Okay, so let me cut this wire here. Cut this terminal. I got plenty of room there. Okay. There is one there. piece. Okay, there we go. Okay, got that. This one here also. Okay, got that taken care of. This wire here. This one's around there. Okay, back. Over here. There. Okay, all you do is solder on this. Get the little soldering gun. Let's do the back side. Okay, so I have a heat shrink in here to insulate that thing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Get it there. Actually, more. That's enough. Yeah. Okay, there you are. Heat shrink. Okay. There's insulated. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing down here. There. There. Okay. There. Okay. We got it. Okay. Oh, I see. Not down pretty good. Oh, well, okay. Okay. Now let me do a test. Just want to make sure that I got it right. Okay, so now if I connect this, that one says positive right there, so that should go there. That should go right there. That one negative, so that should go right there. And if this thing lights up when I turn the switch on, then I know I got a good connection. Let's see. Oh, it lights up. So we are good to go. Okay, so here we go. I got that wire connected through there. I'm gonna run it underneath here. See if I can find a place for this thing to stay. Come on now. Where is it? Okay, there it is. Come out there. Okay. So I can run it this way. Like that. You can see that. There. Pull it back in place. And oops, other way around. Pull it back in place. Right there. Okay. Put it in place right there. The caliper in there. Let's see what is the diameter. Come on. Okay, so that should be the right diameter there. Okay, right here. If my wire can reach to that. Let's see, maybe it can. Oh yeah, yeah. And that middle one there. So, okay. So I can put it right here. You can see that maybe I can put it right there. Yeah, I can do that. Okay. Put it right there. Should be. Okay. Okay. There is my marker. Right there is my marker. Put it in there. Okay, it's drilling time. I think it's better off if I'll put this outside. maybe this one would fit the thing. So, okay, let's see here. How about this one? Is that? No, that's big. This one should be my best bet. So I will assemble this right here, so I can put my drill in. Oops, no, there. Put my drill in there. Okay, there you are. Okay, so where's the center? I'm just guessing here, you know, I hate to guess where the center is, so I better do it. Trial and error here. Find out if that is a good center. No, maybe there a little bit. Okay. Okay, so I think I found where okay, so this must be my center right there. Oh, I lost it again. Okay. Right there's my center. Okay, there you are. Okay, so now it's drilling time. It is drilling time. Let's see this here. See. Okay. There you go. Okay, there. There we go. Let's assemble this thing. Put this booger in there. Hey, perfect. Perfect, eh? Like that. And then put the nut in the back. Tighten this up. Make sure that one is straight. Okay. Yeah, there it is. Cover. Hey, I am happy on this. Happy man. Okay. All right, that looks good. Okay. Now, all I need to do is connect this thing and then assemble the parts together, huh? Right? Okay, come on, light. Stay there. Okay, where is my connector? Connector is right here. That one says positive on the right-hand side there. Yeah, it says positive, so that should be red. Come on. And that one negative should be black. Okay, so there it is. Oops, give me slack here, buddy. Give me the slack. Okay, so run that wire over there. So you won't pinch. Make sure you don't pinch those wires. Okay, there. Let me see. Okay, go in there. Okay, where's my keys? Turn the ignition on. Boom. It lit up. Hey, look at that. It's alive. Now I got an extra one that I can use. Hey, I like that. All right. I think it's time to reassemble this thing, which is not hard to do. If I was able to remove everything, I should be able to put it back, right? Yeah, just say right. Don't say no. Okay? Be a good sport. Come on, light. There. Make sure that this one sits tight in there before you smack, 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 smack. There. Okay, where's the other one? Put this booger in there also. And my camera in. Put that thing there. Smack, smack, smack. Man, that's pretty tight. Okay. So I got that booger in. All right. There you go. Easy peasy, huh? Easy peasy. Okay. So everything is back in place. Just like nothing happened. Okay. Now I think I can sing the song Happy Man. Yeah. Being a happy man. All right. There you go. Bye.